Oke guys, kita kali ini jalan-jalan lagi nih. Kemana kita? Ya, tonton sampai akhir ya. Di pesawat kali ini kita dapat banyak banget nih barang-barang yang unik ya. Nih logonya udah jelas ya dari Qatar Airways. Dapat bantal, dapat ini headset ya. Terus ada selimut juga. Wah, lengkap dah pokoknya. Terus di sini seperti biasa ya, ada tempat buat nyimpen barang, mejanya unik ya, mejanya bisa dilipat. Biasanya kan langsung panjang gitu, ini dilipat. Oke, kita tutup dulu sambil kita review yang lain. Oke, udah mulai ada pengumuman nih dari kapten ya. Kita dengerin aja. Di bagian bawah ini ada kayak remote gitu. Terus di sini ada layar untuk setiap penumpang. Wah, bagus banget ya ini. Logo dan looks dari headsetnya. Ada tulisan Oryx One di sini. Oke, kita review apa aja sih yang ada di sini. Mulai dari flight map, ada sport, terus bisa connect Starlink. Keren banget sih ini Qatar. Terus di sini ada movies juga, entertainmentnya lengkap ya, bisa kita pilih. Terus yang paling keren tuh ini. Jadi kita bisa lihat 3D maps sambil flight. Supaya kita tahu nih kita lagi ada di posisi mana, udah terbang di atas negara mana, kita tuh bisa nge-track di sini. Gila, keren banget kan Qatar Airways nih, emang luar biasa. Tapi yang jauh lebih ngangenin tuh sebenarnya kalau naik Qatar Airways itu kita selalu ada pengumuman berdoa bersama gitu ya. Terus pengumumannya tuh nggak pakai peragaan pramugari, tapi pakai video kayak gini guys. Kalian lihat sendiri.
Wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Yeah, I should have gotten more of this. I should have. Oh, hey, what's going on, Q-Boss?
What's up, Kevin? Look, man, I need your help. I need the world's greatest safety video.
You know, they say a lot of these safety videos are no nonsense. How about we just call it what it is? Unimaginative, uninventive, and flat out boring.
Exactly.
Say no more. Excuse me, MIA. Hey! Welcome, Qatar Airways passengers. Exits and walkways must be clear at all times. Get your stuff out the aisle. You. Baggage must be stored in your overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Please be careful when opening your overhead locker, as items may fall out. Have to be careful. Wait a minute. Rosie, hey, what's on my safety video?
The Q-Boss sent me. He figured you may need a little bit of help. I'm gonna Q-Suite if you need me, Kev.
Yeah, well, it's probably because you can just see the back of it. I couldn't see the back of it. Slow, you gotta push, make sure you push it back. Whatever secret you're holding on to has to be stored under the seat in front of you.
Relax, bro. I got you covered.
In-flight entertainment monitors must be folded away. You watching Jumanji?
Yeah, The Rock was my fave.
Please fasten your seatbelt for taxi, takeoff, and landing. Insert the metal end into the buckle until it clicks. I think that's click. That's how you know it's locked up. To adjust, pull the strap to tighten the belt by making sure our most precious are secure. To unfasten, you lift the flap and pull the ends apart, like this. When the seatbelt sign is illuminated, you must remain in your seat with the seatbelt fastened.
Now, if you plan to sleep during the flight, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to cabin crew.
Let's get out of here. What are you doing? Listen good. We strictly observe a non-smoking policy at all times on this aircraft. No, that includes electronic smoking devices. No! Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Smoking on board the aircraft and tampering with the smoke detectors are criminal offenses punishable by law. It's not gonna happen, Joey. You don't have a signal because I shut the cell towers down. Go ahead, ask me why.
Why would you do that?
I did it for safety reasons, Joey. Safety reasons? What? With the exception of handheld portable electronic devices in flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted for takeoff and landing.
Who you talking to?
Such devices must remain switched off until advised by cabin crew. Please remove all devices from charging ports for takeoff and landing. If you drop your electronic device inside your seat, please do not operate the seat controls. Instead, contact a member of the cabin crew for assistance. Please take a moment to locate the emergency exits near your seats. Emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown. Escape path lighting will guide you to the emergency exits. Watch this.
How'd you do that?
I don't really reveal my secrets. In case of emergency landing on water, evacuation slides will serve as rafts. Please remember to remove all high-heel shoes before using the slide and leave all hand baggage behind. Okay. Who thought this was funny?
Help! I didn't know it could be this high up. Who thought this was a good idea?
Why are you going so slow?
You know, I'm going at my speed.
You need to speed it up a little bit. And where'd you get a chair up here? In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the appropriate brace position. Adam, look, your shoe's untied.
Not again.
Put the mask on, Adam.
There's already oxygen out here.
Oh, Adam, will you stop being a baby? If oxygen is required, mask will appear from above you, or you may be required to release the mask by pulling on the colored red flag marked pull. Pulling the mask toward you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may then assist others. You can't help people if you can't breathe. Well, look at me just sitting here looking natural and comfortable with my Falcon. I'm not scared. Your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, or underneath your seat. When instructed by crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Hold on.
Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate the life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling on the red toggle sharply downward. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. The life jacket has a whistle to attract attention. A light will automatically illuminate when in water.
I'm getting dizzy.
Life jackets for infants will be distributed by cabin crew.
To help with final preparations to take off, please ensure your seat is in the fully upright position. Your window shade is open or set to the clear position. Your tray table and footrest are stowed. Your armrest is down and your seatbelt is fastened. What? Yes. To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card located in your seat pocket. It shows in detail each of the safety aspects of this aircraft. If you have any questions, the cabin crew will be happy to help you. Please prepare for takeoff. Now you can enjoy your 8,000 entertainment options on your Oryx One. By the way, I should be in 7,999 of them. The rock is only in one. Don't ask me why.
Game without lag. Simply connect your device to Oryx comms.
Lucu kan pengumuman dari Qatar Airways ini. Jadi udah nggak pakai pramugari guys, udah pakai video dari artis-artis atau bahkan komedian ya, biar fun gitu. Terus di dalam flight ini tuh kita tetap connect ke internet ya, pakai Starlink. Nah, sambil santai kita bakal cek nih ada film apa aja. Lumayan bisa maraton refresh film-film zaman dulu ya. Wah, ini ada Kung Fu Panda. Kayaknya gue bakal maraton Kung Fu Panda deh, mulai dari 1 sampai yang terakhir. Soalnya bakal lama banget nih flight kali ini. Sekitar 13 jam totalnya. Jadi karena lama banget, kita harus manfaatin waktu buat have fun biar gak boring gitu ya. Mungkin salah satunya dengan nonton film-film kayak gini. Banyak banget guys asli. Sampai bingung mau nonton apa. Mungkin Kung Fu Panda dulu kali ya, yang lucu-lucu aja, ringan-ringan. Di sini tuh kita juga bisa ngelihat beberapa destination. Ada kayak misal di Mesir nih, ada apa aja yang bisa kita visit. Ada piramid, ada masjid apa, kita tuh bisa cek semuanya di sini. Kita pelajarin dulu apa historinya, terus mungkin berapa spot foto di sana, kita tuh dikasih saran. Dan ini lumayan lengkap ya. nggak cuma negara yang kita tuju tapi sekitarnya juga. Misalnya di Qatar, di Mesir, terus beberapa negara-negara di dekatnya. Bahkan negara lain yang juga kerjasama dengan Qatar Airways ini. Misalnya ini ada Bangkok, Amsterdam, itu kita bisa cek semuanya di sini guys. Oke, sambil ngecek-ngecek semuanya, kalau nonton udah, terus kita mau menenangkan hati, di sini juga ada Al-Quran. Jadi kita bisa baca surat-surat Al-Quran juga. Ini kalau kita klik aplikasinya, ada tampilan gini. Nanti ada beberapa versi Al-Quran yang bisa kita pilih. Tinggal kita pilih, nanti akan beda-beda cara pembacaannya. Oke, akhirnya pesawatnya udah mulai gerak, siap-siap untuk flight. Coba kita lihat ya. Di sini tuh kita bisa view beberapa kamera yang dipasang di bodi pesawatnya ya. Ini kali ini gue lagi lihat yang di paling atas di ekornya. Terus kita juga bisa lihat dari samping, dari bawah tuh rodanya kita bisa lihat ya. Jadi kita tahu dia lagi persiapan. Akhirnya flight guys. Alhamdulillah, bismillah, semoga perjalanannya lancar ya. Finally kita akhirnya terbang juga. Nah ini karena flightnya malam, kita cuma bisa lihat lampu-lampu dari bawah ya. Keren banget tapi ini kameranya udah bisa ngelihatin sudut pandang di luar pesawat ya. Oke, stay tune di video selanjutnya, kita akan review yang lain guys. Bye bye.